Naga Munchetty from BBC Breakfast was left puzzled when her co-presenter Charlie Stayt made a quip about doing some bird during the morning show. The popular duo returned on air on Friday, July 26, discussing current events, including a cheeky seagull named Steven, who had been caught on camera stealing snacks from a local BM shop. The bird's name was a humorous nod to action star Steven Seagull. Charlie joked with Naga, asking if she thought Steven would end up doing some bird if caught. This expression left Naga confused, prompting her to ask for clarification. Charlie explained further, and weatherman Matt Taylor also recognized the phrase, which is Cockney rhyming slang for prison time. Despite this, Naga found the expression odd and inappropriate, asking Matt to clarify. In other news, Naga Munchetty was recently named among the top 10 highest-earning BBC stars, with a salary of £345,000 to £349,999 for the past year, marking a £10,000 increase from last year but £20,000 less than in 2022. She is the top earner on BBC Breakfast and the fourth highest-earning woman at the BBC, following Zoe Ball, Fiona Bruce, and Lauren Laverne. Her salary significantly surpasses that of her co-host Charlie Stayt, who earned £190,000 to £194,999, as Naga has more projects outside of the show.